Hey, this is Dr. Sean Jones, and I want to show you our knee decompression machine and what it's all about. So what we do is we strap in your knee below, and we strap in above the knee. We Velcro those in nice and tight, and we pump it up right here. And what this machine does is wonderful. What it does is it creates a negative pressure in the knee. It pulls the knee apart. So if you're having knee pain or problems, we can actually pull fluid back in, open the joint space up, which is absolutely wonderful. It's a wonderful machine. It works well. I was supposed to have a knee replacement here. And I said, there's no way. I can't take 3 months off work, and my patients need me. And so I hobbled around for about a year, and I finally bought the knee decompression machine. And having knee decompression along with Shockwave and laser that we use in our protocol, and of course adjusting the spine or extremity or both, depending on what the patient needs. By doing that, we can do wonderful things. There's another key component with our knee decompression protocol, and it works so well, it works really well. What we do is we actually put a brace on most people too, depending on how bad it is. If you've got degenerative arthritis, if it's getting thin on the inside or the outside of the knee, we can actually fix it. Here's how. Let me show you another picture here. Right here, if you look at this knee right here, what do you think? You think, oh my goodness, that needs a knee replacement, doesn't it? Well, guess what? Hello, it's the same knee. The knee has a brace right here. You can see it's got a brace on, and we can crank the brace with a key and push it across and open up the joint space. In this case, the lateral outside of the knee was degenerated on this one. We put a brace on, makes it back to normal. So by decompressing using shockwave laser and a brace, we can heal it up. And of course, the last part is stem cell therapy, regenerative medicine. We can do regenerative medicine in our Chattanooga office. Our medical team comes in and does it. And by putting young cells in there that are undifferentiated, they can help heal new cartilage, build new cartilage, heal the tissues, decrease the swelling. So there's lots of options. You can do it with stem cells, without stem cells. Depends how serious you are about getting your knee well and avoiding dangerous knee replacements. So this is Dr. Sean Jones, and I am telling you, if you got knee pain, it's only $59 this month to come in and get your x-rays done, your evaluation, the exam, the muscle exam, and a full treatment with shockwave, laser, decompression therapy, vibration therapy, all the stuff we do, and see how good you feel when you come back. And we can go ahead and work out a program specifically designed for you to get better soon. So we can wipe out knee pain with our ErgoFlex decompression unit. We have it at both offices. And of course, the tools that we normally use, shockwave and laser, that also are in videos that I send out too. So give us a call, 643-2277 in Chattanooga, 790-5000 in Cleveland, or you can call our 24-hour number, 954-PAIN. That's 423-954-7246. We will get you an appointment right away. This is Dr. Sean Jones, Magnolia Health, PLLC, also known as Chattanooga Wellness Centers too, as our DBA still. Give us a call. We will get you feeling better, nice and fast with knee decompression therapy.